This is the city of Hyderabad, 2020. Here, the pigeon population has already overtaken all other species of birds. Say no to pigeons. But why? Did you know pigeons are one of the primary causes of a deadly lung disease? Says who? Listen to patients and their families.
Actually, I'm a MTech graduate. I'm doing a job in a school. I got this ILD in 2009, and because of this lung issues, and I'm unable to do my daily routines. Personal life has been deteriorated.
Hypersensitivity pneumonitis is a condition which develops when the lung is exposed to an inhaled allergen. Now, the lung is an organ which reacts in a limited number of ways to any external insult. So consequently, whenever this burden of antigen is presented to the lungs tissues start to thicken.
Lung, it starts becoming like cardboard. All the fibrous tissue just becomes cardboard. My father passed away in 2010, and we were quite surprised when the doctors told that it was a lung infection caused by pigeons. The lung loses its capacity to breathe, and you have this healthy man or woman who's just gasping for breath.
Doctors say that every week more and more patients are being diagnosed with ILD, interstitial lung diseases. Common symptoms include persistent dry cough and gradual breathlessness.
The reason that bird-related disease has assumed importance is because number of pigeons in the urban areas of India is growing dramatically. And when that is happening, more of us are subject to the allergens in the environment.
Whenever the pigeon droppings get dried off, they'll be in the air. So whenever you inhale the air, they'll easily enter into your lungs. So the keep a simple net doesn't prevent the entry of that minute particles or the droppings into your lungs as such. Take necessary precautions regarding your outdoor AC compressor units also, because they are the ones which are transmitting the droppings inside as such. So even if you close all the doors and switch on your AC and see that you are safe and you're not exposed to any of the allergens or anything, but you are intrinsically getting exposed to a lot of antigens inside your house because of the droppings which are there in the air surrounding your house.
Pigeons are increasing in number by the day, and because of their very presence and their number, most of us are getting exposed to pigeon antigens, and these antigens are present not only in their droppings but also in their feathers, the fine dust that coats their feathers, and also in particular in their sebaceous glands which they use to preen their feathers for flight. So all these things are taking their toll.
Repeated exposure of the same antigen will cause worsening of that inflammatory process in the lungs. So initially it will be an acute stage, followed by a subacute stage, and finally it will go into a chronic stage where the inflammation is completely there throughout the lung. It will cause shrinkage of the lung, apart from worsening of our gas exchange, and down the lane people cannot move, they cannot even walk for few yards. Actually, they cannot even go to their regular activities, and they require oxygen even at rest.
See, when I started birding, there weren't so many pigeons as there are today. Over years, I see people feeding pigeons more and more, and the more that they feed, the population is growing without any stop, because food is available to them without searching. So they are very happy, and breeding places are all over the city, and the pigeon population is absolutely booming. At every street corner, at every crossroad, in front of every building, people are feeding them without any thought as to what will happen, and the population is just growing.